Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Casey Helton, and in today's video I am going to be doing a clean with me, and I will be doing some Valentine's Day gift preparations. And if you're watching this on the day that I posted it, it is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. I hope you are having an amazing day. I am just getting my bedroom cleaned up and the laundry done, like just some things to catch up with after the weekend. I decided to strip the sheets off of my bed and put a fresh set on. It always feels good to start the week with a freshly washed set of sheets. So I'm going to do that and get my bed all made and ready for the day. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around and subscribe. I post lots of cleaning, decorating, holiday, cooking, fashion, lifestyle videos. So if that is something that you're interested in, I would really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and stick around. Join us in the comments, say hi. I post videos every week, so you will have something new to look forward to every week. Since it is Valentine's Day, this will be my last Valentine's Day video of the year, but I do have a Valentine's Day playlist that I just put together with all kinds of fun videos that I have posted over the years, so make sure you go and check that out. I will link that right there above. Now I've got my bed all made, and I put some new pillows on there for Valentine's Day, those beautiful pink chinoiserie pillows. I absolutely love those. And then I added a pink furry heart pillow. I just think it is so cute for Valentine's Day. I've done so many Valentine's Day decorating videos, so if you haven't seen those, make sure you hit that playlist up and go check them out. I also figured that on this day it was the perfect day to do some much needed dusting. Everything in my room needed dusted, so I did exactly that. I started off by dusting this mirror, I dusted the fireplace, my desk, literally everything was in need of a good dusting, even the ceiling fan. Although I ended up doing the ceiling fan off camera, but trust me, everything got dusted down and it just feels so fresh and clean, especially because I was using my Mrs. Meyer's, and that always makes the room smell so good.
Storm burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your store. I'm looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire.
So this area in my room becomes the biggest catch-all. Like, everybody sets everything here. As you can see, my husband puts all of his hats here. Well, not all of them, but he has an area for the hats, but he just takes them off and puts them there just because it's convenient. Pretty much we both like sit stuff here. Anytime we cut a tag off of our clothes or just anything like that, there will just be a bunch of junk up here. So I'm just taking every single thing off of this dresser and dusting every single piece that's up here, getting that mirror good and dusted so that it is nice and fresh to start the week.
Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire.
got my bedroom all cleaned. I am doing laundry, which I pretty much spent the rest of the day doing. There's always so much laundry in my house, and this is only a small portion of it, so I'm just taking all the clothes out that I need to fold and hang up. Most of these items needed hung up, so I'm just kind of stacking them up, and I will bring them into the closet and get them all hung up, and I will start a new load before I go on to make my Valentine's Day treat baskets for the boys.
Drugs and cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love?
Okay, you guys, it is the day before Valentine's Day, and I've got all the stuff for my boys' little Valentine's Day basket, so I'm gonna go ahead and put those together in here because they're in there, and I'm just gonna like put them together so I can surprise them. So I'm just gonna put everything on my bed and get started. Honestly, I've just been picking up random things here and there, so I don't even know like what I've got. And my husband just went to run a few errands in my vehicle, and I have some stuff in there that is a part of his little Valentine and my oldest son, so hopefully he doesn't like notice it, but I'll have to get that when he gets back. But I don't know how close you are. Closer. Okay. I showed you guys before, but I got these cute little totes at the Dollar Tree. So I got 3 of these for my 3 boys, and one of them is filled with glitter. Let me try and dump that out. Okay. And the other one's in that bag. I've got a bunch of stuff. I already kind of started trying to put it together to see like what I had going on. And then I got this different one for my husband. And it's a bigger one, and it says, "Love you always." So cute. So I've already got some stuff filled in his. I got him a 4-pack of the blueberry Red Bull, which is his favorite. These are just little treats. They're not like extravagant gifts. They're just fun little treats. The Sour Patch Hearts, which are my favorite. I told my husband, don't give me any candy, even though I'm probably going to steal these, but these are my favorite candy in the whole wide world. The chewy Red Hot Hearts, and I think they're only available at like Christmas and Valentine's Day. So I got that in there. I got him some Flamin' Hot peanuts. Honestly, I don't know that I got him anything else. I got him a bunch of lottery tickets. So yeah, I'm like, I don't know. I can't, it's hard to pick little treats out for guys. Like girls, so much easier. So the boys, okay, I've got one basket kind of set up, and it's got goldfish, a little heart with some chocolates in it, a bag of chips, some warheads, some deodorant, and that's how, and then I got the boys some toothbrushes and some whoopee cushions. I don't know why. For some reason, I thought that would be funny. What else did I get them? I think I got more stuff for the little boys than the older boys, because I don't know. Oh, I got them some Axe body spray. So I'm going to stick this in here somewhere. So there's a cute little basket arranged. So cute. And then I'm going to stick the little balloon in there, which I think I'm going to cut the stick down because it's going to stick out really tall. So, oh, I should have got some little like tissue paper to make this super cute. I might have some red tissue paper left over from Christmas. And I'll open their toothbrushes, I guess. I can't find, they have like rechargeable toothbrushes, but I don't know, they don't use them all the time, and I just thought these look cool, so I got them one of each, but I couldn't find any that were just in a single package, so I'm going to have to open them. And then the whoopee cushion. So silly. Oh, I kind of could, I'll just, why are these things so gross and powdery? Ugh, the texture of the, gross. Gross. Okay. This one's for the big, oh my gosh, I really need, the rest of the stuff to make these. So fun. I just put a piece of this foil tissue paper on this stick and kind of bunched it up. Just gives it a little extra fun look. And then I'm going to tape it. I don't know why I took that little bitty piece of tape off. I need a bigger one. I'm going to tape it so it will stay. I'm going to have to set these up on the fireplace because they need to be on a flat surface. I wonder if I should cut that stick shorter. The other one. Okay, I'm gonna go do this on the fireplace. Ah, the bed was not the best idea. Alright you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you go back and check out my Valentine's Day playlist. I have all kinds of fun stuff, and it's not necessarily even specific to Valentine's Day. I have an amazing trifle recipe that I put in my last video. You can make it literally any time of the year. I had already stated before that it is now my favorite dessert. So easy, you don't even have to bake anything, you just put it together. And I am obsessed, so make sure you go check it out. I will leave it here in the next slide. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!